This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Natalie Lique. Fabulously spacious 4-bed, 2.5 bath corner lot rental in desirable area of Virginia Beach. Superb open floor plan, tastefully decorated by owners. Lovely backyard, ideal for entertaining. Close to parks, shopping and interstates. Fantastic rental with quiet little neck living. Pet negotiable with pet deposit. Lawncare included in rent. No smoking. Available now. Owner will offer $100 off first month's rent if rented by March 1, 2020. For more information, review the details below.